What is going on, guys? Welcome to the first video on this channel. Very excited to finally film the content that I've been dying to film for a very long time. If you stumble upon this, is because one, either you're trying to start a side hustle, two, you're trying to start a business, or three, maybe you just like watching business videos. But this channel is mainly going to be just financial videos and business videos. Yeah, so on this video, we're going to show you how much money there is to make in the moving industry. In the moving industry alone, there's $22 billion. So there's plenty of money to be made if you're going to start a side hustle, a moving business, and whatever. So we're going to show you guys how much money there is to make. So let's get it. All right, so guys, this is our truck. So I just got to the truck. We're actually heading on our first job of the day. I think we have 2 jobs today. I am with the man of the hour, the brains behind this whole operation, my boy Mike Miller. That's right. So we do have 2 jobs today, so I'm gonna try and break it down for you guys, what's going to be happening, the hours, the labor, what we need to take, and how the job is going to go. Later on, we'll try to get this man to explain what he has in mind for the future of this business, how he wants to grow it, and what's gonna happen next. Now I'm gonna show you guys, hopefully we have time, kind of what goes behind the scenes of the operation, the truck, the materials, and all of that. Yeah, it should be a pretty simple day. So, talk to you guys in a bit. This is the first job. We already got started on it though, but it was a whole bunch of totes here. It's pretty much packed with totes. So not too bad for a first job. Just finished with the first job. Got that done in 2 hours. A little humid outside, but it wasn't too bad. Now we're headed to the second job. And I think the first job came out to, how much was it? $375. Well, not bad for 2 hours. Yeah, so now we're going to the second one and we'll see what we got going on over there. So it is officially the second day. Today is Tuesday. Yesterday we ended up doing the second job and it went pretty smooth. It went very well, and I will put the numbers right here of what we have done so far this week. But yeah, we do have a big job today, which I'm excited for. You know, the bigger the job, the more money. Obviously that's a plus side, right? So we want that. We want bigger jobs so we can make more money. More money comes. Whew. The bigger the company grows, the faster it grows. So we can't wait. So yeah, very exciting. Just got you this truck in the storage. This is where we keep our materials and stuff. So we load them up in the truck. Whenever there's a job, we load them up in the truck, get what we need, and get rolling. Damn, that truck looks beautiful. Show you guys what the storage looks like, how my man Miller set it up. It's a beautiful site. What size is this?
10 by 10.
10 by 10. Right here we got some boxes. We ever need them to pack. We got the hamper with dollies so we can roll the boxes down. Right here is this beautiful side of tape, materials, shrink wrap, mattress bags, whatever we need. We got some extra pads and more mattress bags. So nothing crazy, but pretty much everything we need for any job is here. Even the panel straps, ladder. We have Serena. She's a little camera shy. Good sight, right?
That's it.
Alright, now we're gonna head to the other job. All right, so it's Wednesday, the following day, and we actually have another job right now, a big job. As you can tell, we got a big Penske. We got a big Penske, so a bigger job today. Yesterday's job wasn't bad, so I'll add it to the math right now. I think it was like $9.99, so I'll add it to the total. But right now we're in a rush to the big job, so it's gonna be fun. It's gonna be hectic. So let's go. As you guys saw, we all have a Penske, which means we have a way bigger job today, which means the bigger the job, the more money it is. So this is the house that we're moving. It's a little bit bigger right there. There's the Penske. But yeah, that's the job today. I'll update you guys with the numbers after the job. So wish us luck. We have probably like a 10-hour move today. So yeah, man, the bigger the job, the more money, remember. So we just got done with today, Wednesday's job. I think it was like about 10-hour day. Definitely a beautiful day. Let me see how much we made today. Today's total was $1,595.50, so that's $1,000, in 10 hours. So not bad at all. I'll do the math and add the total right here. Mind you, it is only day 3, so we still have 3 or 4 more days to go. So very exciting. We'll see what we can end up with at the end of this week. Tomorrow we have 2 jobs, 2 small jobs, so that's gonna definitely put us ahead. Can't wait. Again, more money, more problems, more jobs, more money. The longer the jobs, the more money we make. We love it out here.
We fucking smashed yesterday.
Oh, so cute. Where you going? Come here. Another day, another dollar, Miller.
Yeah, more money, more problems.
Tell the people what we got going on today. How many jobs?
2 jobs.
2 jobs was the first job.
Junk removal.
Junk removal, and the second job?
1-bedroom apartment.
1-bedroom apartment. So junk removal and 1-bedroom apartment today. Shouldn't be too bad compared to yesterday. Yesterday was almost 10 hours. Oh, you 12? Yeah, 12 hours. So today shouldn't be too bad, but yeah, like he said, more money, more problems. Done with the first job. Right now we're at the dump, about to dump this stuff out. It was only a couch and a king bed. The job came out to $300 or $300 flat. So I'll add the math on the screen, and yeah, we'll dump this out and head to the second job. It's just a 1-bedroom apartment, so it shouldn't be too hard. Should be quick and easy. Ugh. Smells very lovely in here. Smells delicious. I don't know how people do it, man. People who work at the dump, props to you. I could never. I'd rather lift stuff 100 pounds, 200 pounds than work at the dump. So if you work at the dump, props to you for sure. Smells like Miller's feet. It did smell like cheese, and I got a little hungry, I'm not gonna lie. Which is kind of disgusting now that I think about it, but oh well, props to you. Just got to the second job. Let me show you guys what we're doing right now. Doing that all the way to the 4th floor. Yeah, not fun, but we'll get it done. We said this multiple times, but more money, more problems. Just finished the job. It came out to how many hours? 6 hours, and the total was $1,001.75. Plus a $200 tip, but we're not gonna count the tips on this episode. It was an easy job, just the first half kind of took us because it was a 4th-floor walk up. The second part was just an elevator move, so it was pretty easy, pretty fast, and a long drive. There is 2 jobs tomorrow, I believe, or 2? 2 jobs tomorrow, but I won't be in them. So, but I'll do the math on that whenever they're done. I'll ask him for the information for the bill, so I can put it into the calculator and give you guys the profits or the revenue. And then Saturday and Sunday, I believe there's jobs. So we have a job. Yeah, we've had a job every single day of the week. More jobs, the more money, the better for everyone. That's the whole headline of the video. More money, more problems. So we're gonna see you guys tomorrow. We can go home right now, relax, and yeah, we'll do this again tomorrow. Hey guys, it is officially Friday like I mentioned yesterday. We did have 2 jobs today, but I didn't go to the job site today. However, one job actually ended up canceling, which actually has never ever happened. So this job canceling was really weird, but I guess something about the customer not having enough funds to actually afford the move, which is totally understandable, guys. I feel like moving is definitely a luxury. Not a lot of people can afford it, which is why a lot of people actually, you know, move in their own car, or they make multiple trips, or ask friends and family to help them out. However, the first job definitely did happen, and again, I was not on the job site, but Miller was, and he ended up sending me the information. So right here I pull up the information. The job today came out to $575.25. so I will do the math right here on the screen of what we have so far. Now we do have Saturday and Sunday left. Tomorrow there is one job, I believe, which is an easy pod move. Unfortunately, I won't be able to be on the job site, but I will definitely ask Miller to send me the details. And then Sunday I will be on the job, so can't wait for that. So 2 more days, and I am excited to finally do the math and see what we come up with this first week. And I hope you guys are enjoying the video so far. I know this video is not really into detail, into depth. It's kind of just showing you the revenue of the business, and the potential of this industry. Mind you, the business is running on 1 crew, which means 1 crew is doing all of the jobs at once. Our goal is to get more people in, more crews doing more jobs. Our goal is to just grow the company in every single aspect to the point where we're actually having 5 jobs in one day with 5 different crews. Right now we're just running maybe 2 or 3 jobs with 1 crew. So after 1 job is done, that same crew goes to the other job, same crew goes to the 3rd job. Again, the goal is just to grow the company, get as many trucks, get a warehouse, and all of this stuff that I will definitely document throughout this journey. So I hope you guys definitely enjoy coming along. So let's get into it. It is officially Sunday, the last day of the week. Whew. Very, very long week, but it was all definitely worth it. Now yesterday we did have a job, but I wasn't on the site, but I do have the numbers right here with me. Yesterday's job total came out to $599. $599 added to the math right here. And today I believe we have 1 or 2 jobs, so hopefully we end strong. We're aiming for at least $1,000 or more for today. That's gonna be fun. Very, very long week, and we're gonna end it the best way possible. Let's get to work. See that, guys? 2 Penskes. Turns out I was half right, half wrong. There are actually 2 jobs happening today at the same time. Miller and Serena are gonna run one. I'm gonna run the other one with the rest of our crew. So 2 jobs, which means double the money. Like I said, we're ending the week off strong. Whew, can't wait. Alright, so this is a job. Small DC townhouse. It's pretty full actually. Going into that truck. Small townhouse. Then after this, we have to go pick up the storage unit that they have, and then after that, drop all of it in their new house. Sweating because hot as hell, but exciting job. We're now just finishing up today's job. As you can tell, I look beat. The sun is hot, so I've been sweating and a lot of exercise, a lot of good workouts. But I'm gonna show you guys the house real quick. That house right there. We are almost done. We're wrapping up right now, and I will update you guys whenever we are done. And oh man, we finished the week off strong. It feels so good having 2 jobs running at the same time today. Usually we do 2 jobs and 1 crew does both of the jobs, but today we had 2 jobs and 2 separate crews. So that was definitely exciting to know and have. So I'm gonna go home, do the whole math, and let you guys know what the total revenue for this week was. Hey guys, it actually has been a while since this video was recorded. It's actually been a couple months. So after all said and done, we actually made, drumroll please, $8,051 in 1 week. That was definitely a crazy week. And the crazy part about it is that week, remember, this was a couple months ago. Fast forward into now, we have about
3 crews now, and we are definitely making more money as a company now. And it's just so crazy to believe how fast you can definitely grow. But yeah, guys, $8,000 in a week, not bad for what we were working with. There's definitely a lot of growth, a lot of potential, and a lot of opportunity in the moving industry. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys are starting a side hustle, your own business, whatever it is, just remember, don't give up. Put in the hours, put in the dedication, be disciplined, work as hard as you can. Success, without a doubt, will definitely come. And remember, more money, more problems. I hope you guys enjoyed. Until next time, we'll try to record more of the journey as we go along. So, can't wait. Hope you guys have a good one. Peace.